Hello guys, here's a question for you. The graph from identical twin is called. The options are allograft, autograft, isograft and xenograft. The answer is isograft. Isograft is the graph from an identical twin. Let's study something about different types of grafts and transplantations. These are the different types of transplantations. Let's study. First one is isograft. As we seen earlier, it is the graft from identical twin. The graft from identical twin is called isograft. What is allograft? Allograft is transfer of cells, tissues and organs within the same species. Transfer of cell, tissues and organ within the same species is called allograft, and the autograft if it is within same person. If it is within same person, it is autograft. Then what is xenograft? Xenograft is transfer of the cells, tissues or organs in a different species. Different species is called xenograft. Then what is auxiliary transplantation? So auxiliary transplantation is here a partial tissue from the donor is used which act as the temporary support for the recipient injured organ, and the recipient injured organ is remains in the place itself. Example is left lobe of liver. Here we are taking partial tissue of liver from the donor and it is used for temporary support of the injured organ, and it is called auxiliary transplantation. And the example is liver transplantation. And then comes heterotrophic transplantation. In heterotrophic transplantation, the organ is implanted in different anatomical location and the diseased organ is kept in its place itself. The example is kidney transplantation. Here we can see an image. Here we can see the diseased kidney is left in place and we are transplanting the donor kidney to different anatomical location. It is called heterotrophic transplantation. Then comes orthotrophic transplantation. Orthotrophic transplantation means the organ is implanted in same anatomical location in the recipient as it was in the donor. So the diseased organ is removed in this case. Example is heart, lung transplantations. Example for orthotrophic transplantation is lung and heart transplantation. So this is a summary of different types of grafts and transplantations. Thank you.